What's up everybody, this is Maddie from Maddie's Review Channel. Today I'm back with another video. Today I will be reviewing the Minions plush toy set. Stay tuned. So today I got the package in that I purchased for my son. I bought these Minions plush toy set. As you can see, this does come with 6 of them, all your superheroes. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the package and lay them out so you can see what comes in this set. And as you can see, you've got your Spider-Man, your Avengers, you've got Iron Man, Batman, Thor, Superman. These are really nice plush toys. These are available online. I will link all the information in the description. These are really nice. These are available for all ages. Doesn't matter. These are for boys, girls. They are safe for all children's if you actually remove the top, which are the suction cups, so they can actually be like set onto a window or a wall. As you can see here at the top. Very nice size. This is about the size of my hand. This is the Thor. It actually comes with his little accessory. Here's Superman with his cape. These are about, let's say, about 3 inches high. And here's the set. There's your Superman, your Avengers. Then you got your Iron Man. Here's the Batman. You got Thor and Superman. So these are overall nice little plush dolls. I mean, they make a good Christmas gift or a birthday gift. Right here's the little suction cups on the top of these plush dolls. So you can stick those anywhere. As you can see, every one of them have them. Here's the Superman one that does. And then you've got your Avengers and your Iron Man. So if you're interested in these, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and check me out, cocoscope.com/Maddie's Review Channel, or on my website, Maddie'sReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.